What is up, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing and checking out the iPhone 11. This is the yellow one. I've already unboxed the 11 white and reviewed it and everything, so be sure to check that out on the channel if you want to see more in depth. But yeah, so this was $6.59 on Amazon. So we're going to be finding out, is the renewed version any good? I'll show the price right here when you get it new from Apple. So it might be worth picking up if it is pretty good. So you get the original box, which I wasn't expecting at all. So let's go ahead and get this off. And I do see something right here. Oh, from the person just telling you about the purchasing from the company or whatever. Alright, so the box itself is actually, I can tell it's a used box actually. I can see scratches and kind of like, it's kind of beat up, kind of dirty a little bit. So it is definitely a used box. But it's nice that you at least got the original box. Here's the yellow one, which actually looks pretty good. It's not super yellow like I thought it was gonna be. It's like a pale kind of yellow. The sides are really beautiful as well too. Let's see what else we get in here. So everything looks pretty much like your standard setup. You even get the Apple sticker, so it's pretty much like brand new. What people don't know about refurbished products is, what I try to tell them all the time, is that most of the time they're supposed to replace you know, everything on the outside, and I think they keep the internals. So that's something people don't know. That's for Android devices as well. So you get your charger brick, and that looks pretty new as well. The cable, everything looks new. So basically getting, you know, pretty much a new phone, besides the box definitely looked beat up. Alright, so let's just go around the iPhone if you haven't seen it. Dual camera setup, little Apple logo. You do have your vibrate switch, volume rockers. The side of this device is really beautiful. I really wish like the whole phone was this yellow color over here. You do have the big power button, which I absolutely love, one of my favorites. You do have the stereo speakers down here, charging port, and that's pretty much it. So let's try to boot this up and see. And the display itself is pretty clean. I don't see any scratches on it at all. So like I said, refurbished devices, they're supposed to go ahead and replace everything. So it's pretty much supposed to be like a like new, you know, brand new phone. Alright, so I have been checking out the display, and it's the same display that you would get on a new one. Like I said, no scratches or anything on this one. So it's pretty much like a brand new phone, basically. Like I always tell people, that's how they're supposed to do these refurbished phones. Now let's test out those speakers and make sure they're functioning. So, you know, same speakers, everything works, very loud, very crisp and clear. Some of the best dual speakers you're going to get on any device, actually. Now, as far as battery life, I'm going to have to test that out in another video. Might do a battery drain test for this specific device, so be sure to subscribe. But so far, loving it. The beautiful color, especially on the rails of this phone. Just absolutely beautiful looking phone here. So, you know, this is what it is. It's a very nice, you know, save some money. You can probably put that towards a case or Apple Care or something like that. So definitely a good pickup from Amazon. I know that Apple sells the refurbished iPhones as well, so that is also another place you can kind of get a discount, but I usually see them the cheapest on Amazon. So that's pretty much it, just a little quick video. And yeah, everything works on here. The cameras on here as well are really good. I'll show some stills right here. No issues with the cameras on here at all. They're taking, you know, the same photos as a new one. So overall, just no complaints with this phone so far. I didn't find any scratches on here. Like I said, it's basically like a brand new phone. So thanks for watching this video. If you guys have any questions, be sure to let me know, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.